One of the things I really like about this new generator that I installed in my Nash travel trailer, this is a 17K model, is that the generator is really quiet. It's running right now. It's very quiet. The generator is located on the driver's side at the back corner. If we come around the side, then you can hear it a little bit more, but it's so quiet that you can carry on a normal conversation. It's probably about the same sound output as a Honda EU2000, maybe just a little bit quieter. It's providing power to a 1500 watt space heater right now. I have it parked at home. That's why there's a cord hanging off of it right now. Right here I'm standing about 15 feet away from it, and it's pretty quiet. It's probably about the same sound output level as a Honda EU2000 or any other small portable inverter style generator. If we go back around the other side, it's very quiet. Camped at a campground, normally you would have your camp area set up over on this side, picnic table and whatnot, lawn chairs out, awning extended, and this noise wouldn't annoy me at all. This is a new model generator that Onan recently came out with. It's 2500 watt. In the LP version, it's 2800 watt in the gasoline version, and fits in the same compartment that their other generators fit of the same size. But you can tell it's pretty quiet even from behind here. I've got the exhaust routed out the back, down below the bumper. But it just kind of nice quiet purr. It increases RPM just a little bit when there's a larger load on it, but it's not really all that noticeable as far as that sound output level difference. Overall, I'm really happy with it, and I'm glad I went with this model generator. But we'll just do a complete walk around of the RV and you can tell how quiet it is. I'm kind of limited on space here, so I have to hug the side of the RV because it's got a little drop off there in my RV parking stall at home. But it's really quiet over here on the passenger side of the RV. The new style generator is easy to distinguish from the old style because the new one, its removable faceplate has slots in it, where the generator that this one replaced has a black removable base panel. Be sure to also check out the installation video I have of this generator, as well as the unboxing video. Once I get those videos uploaded, I'll throw those links up above.